Now we're going to add a product that has different options so that you can see how that works. So what I'm going to add this time is a collar that comes in different sizes and different colours. So it is, the product I'm going to add is an ankle adjustable polka dot dog collar. There we go. As I did before, I've copied and pasted my description here, so that's all lovely. Talking about it, the colours available. Take off the lead because that's not going to be on this particular product listing. There we go. And the file, here is where I add my different colours. So I can choose, this is my main product image because that obviously shows all the colours available. So we'll have that one. But then I am going to also add the individual, I've got individual pictures of the individual collars here. So we're going to add that. And if I press down Control as I click, it's going to highlight all 4 of those and we'll upload them all at the same time. So here are my product images. There we go. So this is the main image, this first one here. If you want to swap these around and change the order that they appear in, then you can do. So I don't know, just if you want to say, well, it's pink, blue, pink, red, brown. So if you want to go blue, pink, red, brown, then there you go, you can have them in the same order as they are in the main picture. Okay. So in my price option here, I'm just going to put the price of the smallest product, the cheapest product, which is £4.25. I'm not going to do my cost. My SKU, did I save a SKU? No, I didn't save a SKU. There we go. Again, because this is a multiple product, you won't actually have a barcode. The barcode would be for individual items, if that makes sense, which we'll come to that in a moment. So it's a physical product. You'd enter your weight here, obviously, for when you're shipping it. Okay, and this is where what we want to do here now is to check this box to say yes, this particular product has different variants. So this is a drop down option here, and the first one I do want is size. Now I in the product description have put sizes, size 1 to 2, 20 to 30 centimeters. So I could just put collar size 1 to 2, but I think I'm actually going to put the full size 1 to 2, comma, and that is 20 to 30 centimeters. And then as soon as you hit the comma, it will add that. So you're going to have size 2 to 5, which is 30 to 50 centimeters. Hit the comma and it will add it. And then size 5 to 9, which is 45 to 70 centimeters. There we go. So that's the size, but obviously this product also comes with different colours. So I'm going to add colour as an option. So my colours are, in fact, I'm going to be anal here. I'm going to see what colour they are. Okay, navy blue, raspberry. So I'm going to go navy blue, raspberry, red, and mocha. There we go. So those are all our options. As you can see, you can add, you can continue to add options if you want to. These are our 2 options here. Now what it does is allows us, because obviously my larger collars are going to be more expensive than my smaller ones. So it allows me to adjust the price now based on size. Colours don't affect price, but size do. So all my size 1 to 2 collars are $4.25, so that's absolutely fine. But my mid-size collars are $4.95. There. And my large collars are £5.50. Okay. And how many do I have in stock? Let's say I have 5 of all of them in stock. This is going to be, I'm just going to quickly go down here. Again, if you're not tracking it, you can have that. If you remember, we had the box checked to say you don't have to put stock figures in here unless you need to, but you can, where it's gone. You can say continue selling when out of stock, which means if you check that box and you don't put any stock figures in, people will still be able to buy this product. Okay, now this is where you would enter your individual SKUs for each product along with its individual barcode. Now I'm not going to do that now because I don't have all that information, but again I would highly recommend that you do this, because when you come to start doing like Google ads and want to run shopping ads or do Facebook, you know, add your feed into a Facebook catalogue, you're going to need this information, and there's nothing worse than having to go back and do it all at the end. So get all the information ready before you even start, and then you'll have it. You can just copy and paste everything in here, and then it's done. Again, this is where you edit your how it appears on search engine listings. So I think that's I'm quite happy with that. Ankle adjustable polka dot collar. I might put, what did I have? 3 sizes. 3 sizes, 4 colours. There we go, just so that people can see. And then I'll probably tweak that a little bit. That's all just to, I'd tweak this. I'd probably spend a little bit more time making that a little bit more. This is really a bit more sort of advertorial copy, if you like, so people, you're trying to entice people to click on the link when they see it in a search engine, and so you spend a little bit of time doing that. So again, we pop back at the top, and you'd add your product type, which would be, let's get that, dog collar. Vendor is ankle. There you go, because you can see there we could have chosen com because that's what we added before. So alcohol. Again, we don't have our collection set up yet, and I'm not going to worry about tags. So there we go. I can save that product now, and then we'll go and have a look at it in our store. There we go. Let's preview, and there we go. We've got our main product image, and then obviously people can click to view subsequent product images, and then they can choose the size that they want. And as you can see, as they choose the size, the price is changing here, and then we'll have a size 5 to 9 in raspberry, and we'll add that to our cart. And there we go. As you can see, if I view my cart, I've got my Kong toy that I added earlier and my adjustable collar. Okay, so that's our second product added, our multiple variant products. And I just want to, I talked about filtering and that kind of thing. You can see here how this adding different tags and vendors and things, so you can filter by tags, and also, so this is where you can choose by product vendor availability tags. Then you can go and search for different product types, just look at products in a particular collection. So there's lots of different ways that you can filter products here, because obviously if you've got a lot of products, you need to be able to filter them so you can find the ones that you want. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos.